Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. In today's video, I will be doing a video reaction because the last reaction I did, you guys enjoyed it and you decided to allow me to be doing reactions once in a while. So let's get on. So whilst I put mousse on my curly hair, this is amazing. Literally, a Caucasian man knows how to slay a wig more than I do. This is absolutely insane. So basically, he just did the bald cap method. Perfecto. Laid it down to the T, guys. Placed the wig, glued it down to the T. I don't even know how to fix my wig like this. Guys, he nailed it. This wig ain't coming off. It's going to at least last for 2 weeks. I thought this video was amazing, so I was like, why not come on YouTube channel and just, do reviews like this or reactions, not a review, sorry, do a reaction like this. I'm really enjoying it. I learned a few tricks, especially when he literally laid down the bald cap method, the trick to it in making it look very invincible. Then the fact that he glued it, then after put the lace layer by layer, slayed it, then after curled it, and it was the bomb.com, guys. Hope you viewers did enjoy this reaction as I am enjoying it. I'm like shocked. So guys, I'll see you viewers in my next reaction video. Hope you viewers did enjoy this. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and share. Bye bye.